Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a hip and valley roof. If your floor plan is a rectangle or a square, for the purpose of this assignment in this video, I'm going to extend my level 1 footprint. You guys don't need to make a whole new floor plan. All I'm going to do is I'm going to add some walls. I'm just going to do a little bit, basically like another approximately the same sized kind of unit over here. Okay, but you guys don't need to do that floor plan. This is kind of just for the purpose of showing you how to do the roof style, and so you guys know how to do it. So I'm also going to take those walls and connect them to my level 2 like I did with the other ones. So now in 3D I have just like another set of walls. You guys don't need to extend your floor, don't worry about that. I just want you focusing on the roof structure for this. So, like all the other ones, I'm going to go to level 2. I'm going to create a roof by footprint. And you may already have an idea of how to do this, okay? It's actually pretty easy. With just a hipped roof, we just want to define the slope on all the edges, so make sure that's checked. We've got our overhang, and then I'm going to select my walls. So I'm going to select this one, the exterior walls, because remember we're drawing a footprint, okay? And then I want you guys to notice something here. If I hit the green check, it's going to tell me, hey, there's an issue here. You see these orange lines are the pink lines that turned orange? See how they're overlapping? So Revit, and this is the same for floors as well, things that are built off of a footprint, the footprint has to be one continuous line that has no overlaps or breaks, okay? So if that happens to you, just say, okay, continue. And then there's a really cool tool. You can click these lines, for example, I hit escape and kind of get out of that mode. I can click this and go and just kind of scoot it back, but there's a pretty nice and handy tool if I undo that. This right here says trim extend. Okay, if you click this corner tool, I call it the corner tool, and just click the lines, it'll automatically trim it. Okay, and vice versa, it'll extend it if you need. So anyways, okay, so I have a nice and neat footprint. Looks right. All the edges are defined slope, so I'm going to hit check. And then if we go to our 3D, there we go. We've got our hip and valley. So hip meaning it's hipped on all the sides, and then we've got a valley. So Revit automatically does this, which is nice. And you don't have to do anything else. If you wanted this to be like lower, you could grab it, you know, and create like a more even slope, if you want it to all be the same height-ish, or you can lower certain parts and make it look different. That is still hip and valley, but there you go. That is how you do that style.